The pace with which virtual reality entertainment has taken off in the last few years has meant that there is a wide range of VR headsets available for different kinds of users and at a variety of price points. The headset we are featuring today is a very affordable headset that is great not just for users new to the world of virtual reality, but can be useful for relatively expert users too, who spend extended periods watching or playing VR content. Let's get to know the Sytros VR headset better.
Here we go!
A number of features in the Sytros VR headset are geared towards making long use comfortable. Strain on the eyes, sweating caused by heating up of the phone in the headset, and discomfort on the face are just some issues seen commonly with many headsets, which the guys at Sytros have tried to take care of. The headset is built around a lightweight frame with the device weighing just over 1 pound. The thick foam used in it fits cozily along the user's face and also removes the typical discomfort caused by plastic edges. There's also enough space available to facilitate air circulation, as well as wearing the headset over your glasses. But the primary aspect that decides the worth of a VR headset is the quality of the lenses used. The Sytros VR headset uses premium quality lenses with the widest angle possible to provide the best picture from your smartphone. You can easily adjust the pupil distance and the focal distance to get the best 3D immersive experience, so you can choose whether to wear your glasses or adjust the lenses to suit your comfort level. Another interesting feature is the active magnetic button support, which allows you to pause and interact with VR apps without the need of a remote control. This easy maneuverability adds to the fun you can derive from the hundreds of VR apps and different kinds of VR content available online these days. With the support for phones from 3.5 to 6-inch screens, the Sytros VR headset is compatible with most Android and Apple phones. It is also fully compatible with all Google Cardboard supported games and apps. So, you can either install from the many available apps from the App Store or Google Play Store, or simply import your own VR content to enjoy fully immersive virtual reality. So, with a focus on comfort, ease of use, and top quality at an affordable price, this headset is bound to be well reviewed by its users. And that is exactly the case, with over 300 reviewers giving it a very impressive average rating of 4.2 on 5 stars. That's all we have on the Sytros VR headset for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other VR headset reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.